precious little honey lambs. Willie, you all hand over that book. Ah, Claire to goodness. You is too young to be reading that trash. And besides, if you all try to catch that worm, the old fox will catch you.
The fox? What's that, Mammy?
Oh, he's this tall, with big, round, green eyes, and a long, pointed nose, and long, sharp teeth. And he just loves to eat little birds, just like you. Now you all shut them big brown eyes and get to sleep.
Oh, I ain't scared of no old fox. I'm gonna get myself up early and get me that worm for breakfast.
Yeah, and the fox will get you.
Oh, who's scared?